Hello, I'm Quentin from Leafcloud, and today I'll show you how to configure a security group. You can use a security group to add certain security protocols to an instance. So to start off, you want to go to create.leaf.cloud. So here you want to log in, and then you want to go to Network Security Groups. Here you want to create a new security group. You can give your security group a name, and you can give it a description, but we're not going to do that right now. Here you have your security group, and you have the rules that are standard. Now we can add a rule. We're going to add a HTTP and HTTPS rule. So here underneath rule you can choose HTTP. This you can leave the same. We'll click on add. Now we'll do the same, but then for HTTPS we'll click on add. Now we've added an HTTP and HTTPS rule. Now you can go back to security groups and you'll find your security group somewhere between all those other security groups. Maybe you only have one or two. It's right here. Now we'll want to create an instance using our security group. So we'll go to Compute, Instances. Then we'll go to Launch Instance. We'll give this a name. Now we'll go to Source. If you don't know how to launch an instance, you can watch the previous video, I'll link in the description. Okay, so we'll put the volume size on 10. Then we'll choose Ubuntu. This is just a quick standard setup. I'll choose a flavor, a network. I'll choose a keeper as well. And then we could go to security groups. Here you'll see all the available security groups and we'll find the one that we made before. So we found it, it's right here. We'll click on the arrow to put it up here. The default security group is already selected. And then we can launch instance. So now the instance has been created using our security group. If we click on the instance, then we'll see the security HTTP security group that we've previously created. So it says HTTP because that's the name we gave it, but it's obviously both the HTTP and the HTTPS rule. So today we've configured the security group and we've added the security group to an instance. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Bye!